video, let's see how to make a very delicious mushroom masala recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started and see the ingredients for this delicious recipe.
Today I've taken about 3 packets of button mushroom, 2 large onions which is finely chopped. We need about 3 tomatoes which is finely chopped, some coriander leaves which is also finely chopped, 2 small pieces of ginger, 6 garlic cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves and 4 cardamom. We also need about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and a few curry leaves.
Now that our ingredients are ready, let's get started and prepare the mushroom masala.
Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Now into the hot oil, let's add the cinnamon sticks, the cardamom and the cloves, now let's add the fennel seeds, about 1 teaspoon. When all the aroma is well released in the oil, let's add the chopped onions and the curry leaves. Now saute the onions till they are nice and glassy. Now at this stage, let's add about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now stir fry it in the hot oil till all the raw smell goes off. Now at this stage, let's add the chopped tomatoes. Now stir fry the tomatoes till they are nice and soft and mushy. At this stage, let's add some salt. And also add a little water. This helps the masala to cook fast. Now let's close the pan with a lid. And let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that our tomatoes are nice and mushy. At this stage, let's add about half a teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. You can use any brand of your choice. You can also use garam masala instead of chicken masala powder. Now saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, let's add the button mushrooms. Cut the button mushrooms into halves and add it into the masala. Do not add water for this recipe at this stage. Mix the mushrooms well in the masala and close the pan with a lid. After 10 minutes, let us check the mushroom. You can see that the mushrooms have released all the water. Now keep the flame in slow and allow the mushrooms to cook in the water. Now at this stage, let's add about half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Now keep the flame in slow and allow it to become nice and thick. Now you can see that our gravy is nice and thick. At this stage, let's add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. So that's it friends, our delicious mushroom masala is absolutely ready. Now we can switch off the flame and serve it hot.
So that's it friends, our delicious mouth-watering mushroom masala is absolutely ready. This is a great combination with chapati, fried rice or even a curd rice. If you like this video, like, subscribe to my channel and keep watching Fabulous Chef. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.